everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad. Now I think they're finally, caught up maybe on not having as great deals in the store just because with everything going on. I've noticed a lot of stuff has been sold out online. They're like 2 to 3 weeks behind on sending stuff out. So, I mean, if you guys absolutely need it, go to the store. But if you guys don't and you're okay with just waiting, then go for it. But here they got the Red Nose Day. Now, it is going to be a new week. So, if you guys do go to the store, or if you guys do clip those Walgreens booklets to your account, make sure you clip new ones because it's going to be a new booklet for the month of May. So, here we got Oreo cookies, 2 for $5. Which is an okay price, $2.50 a piece. That's a pretty decent price. Sometimes that's a whole lot cheaper than the grocery stores. They got Sprite and Coke for 3 for $10.99, and then right here they got Pepsi 3 for $10.99. Comes out to be just $3.66 a piece. It's an okay deal. You can sometimes get it cheaper, but you know what? If you guys need it, go for it. Then they got Blue Diamonds. Those are always usually buy one, get one free. And then they have the deals of the week. This got the Scott's toilet paper and Kleenex for $3.75. And then there's going to be a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I don't know if there's any, I don't know if there's any inserts out there, but they're, sorry guys, I don't know if there's any inserts out there, but there could be. I know you can print off coupons, so it just depends on what you want. Now they get the Ajax laundry detergent for 99 cents. Those are $1 regular price. $1, but people think it's on sale, so they'll buy it. So just giving you guys a heads up, you don't need to add Ajax right away because it's always for $1. Okay, sorry about that. But right there they have the soft soap and Irish Springs for $4.99. Now I could not find any coupons out there. But it does say when you guys buy 2, you get 5,000 points. And then if you read the very small print, it says limit 5,000 points per transaction. Now, I don't know if they're going to shut off if you buy tons of the same product at once. I don't know that. I won't know until maybe on Sunday when I add a bunch of it to my cart. I'll find out. But I'm not going to do the deal anyways, but I'm just going to do it as an example. But otherwise, you can just do separate transactions because it does say per transaction. But since I couldn't find any coupons, there might be some printable ones. But I have a feeling there might be digital ones that shows up, and I keep saying the word but. Anyways, they would be $9.98 for 2 of them. You get 5,000 points. It comes out to be $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece. So there's that. Now they got the Crest or Oral-B Dental Care. It's going to be $2.99. We are getting the P&G, making them $1 a piece, and it looks like you could probably get mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrushes, all that stuff. So you guys want to use 4 $1 off coupons. You would pay $7.96. You get a $3 register reward, making it $4.96 or just $1.24 a piece. I would not do that deal. Hopefully there could be a digital coupon that pops up that we could get some decent deals, but this week is just a very slow week, which is a good thing. I like it that it's a good slow week just because with everything that's going on. Now here they have it where if you spend $25 or more you get 5,000 points. I don't know what would be a good deal in that scenario. I was trying to figure out something like with the Pantene and Tide, but they wanted like 14 bucks after the points were factored in and all that stuff, so I'm just like, nope. Candy bars are 79 cents if you guys need Kit Kats or Reese's. They have some ice cream, buy one get one free. The taco stuff is buy one get one free. The ground beef is $2.99. Just other things here and there. Some more food deals. Chips 2 for $5. Cheez-Its $1.99. Goldfish 2 for $4. So yeah, they have Snickers, M&M's 2 for $3. Now here you guys go. They have the M&M's fudge brownies. I actually got a bag of that. They're pretty good. They're pretty good. It doesn't like taste like a true brownie, but it gives you that brownie squishiness, I guess, kinda. So they're pretty good. I'm still eating it. I just got like I got a small bag and I'm still eating it because I just don't eat candy like I used to. Orbit gum, they're making a big deal about Orbit gum being 2 for $2. And then down here they got the plates and the aluminum foil for 99 cents with an in-store coupon. You can also clip that coupon to your account. My neighbor yesterday, she's like, do you have any aluminum foil in your stockpile? Because she ran out and I gave her some because, you know, it's good to have a stockpile of stuff. They got Palmolive, the big bottles, for $1.99, getting 50% off coupons, making them $1.49. I'm extremely tired, you guys, and it's only noon. Purex, buy one, get one free. They got Airwick on sale for $4.99, and there's going to be $1 off a 2 coupon. There could be a digital coupon. Bounce, Downy. Yeah, it's just a slow week, which is fine. Now here they got the personal care items. Speed Stick, this is a deal you guys can probably do online if you want. But they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We are supposed to get 50% off coupons in the paper. You guys could use 2 50% off coupons. You would end up paying $3.48, but then you get 3,000 points, making them 48 cents or just 24 cents a piece. Now, if you want to do the deal online, depending on what coupon comes out, there could be just a 50% off coupon for one of them, or there could be a 50-cent coupon for the men's and women's. It's hard to say. They'll surprise us. But let's just say there's only one 50% off coupon. You guys would just pay $3.98, get 2 of them for 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece. So still a pretty good deal if you guys need to do that. Skintimate, it just says there's going to be an online coupon. I don't know if we're getting any digital coupons or any printable coupons, but they're $5.99. You're going to get one $3 off digital coupon, and then you guys can buy another one for $5.99. You guys would pay $8.98, but you get 5,000 points when you spend 20. And I totally did not do this deal. I thought it was when you spent 2. Never mind, you guys. I suck at math all of a sudden. So, nix that deal. But they do have L'Oreal 2 for $8. There's going to be a 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon and a 3 off of 2 regular manufacturer coupons, making them $1.50 a piece if you guys need to do that deal. Herbal Essence 2 for $10. We're getting a 3 off of 2 in the P&G, and then you get a $2 register reward when you buy 2, making them $5 or $2.50 a piece. I can't stop yawning. Okay. Nothing really much going out. The L'Oreal is 20% off, and then when you spend $35 or more, you get a $10 mail-in rebate. So that could be an okay deal. I do like the L'Oreal products. Colgate is $3.99. We are getting $1 off coupons, making them $2.99 a piece. You guys could use 2 $1 off coupons. You would pay $5.98. You get 5,000 points when you buy 2. So basically it comes out to be $3.98 or $1.90. No, why did I not? No, I'm looking at the wrong deal, you guys. $5.98. You get 5,000 points. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. There might be sometimes better digitals out there. Listerine, I swear this has been like this all month, all year long, but spend 10, you get 5,000 points. They got baby wipes, 2 for $5, and then there's going to be a $1 off coupon, making them $2 a piece. Oh, you guys, it's hard doing videos with kids in broad daylight. Medicines, nothing, you know, a lot of allergy stuff, just nothing really popping out. That's a really good deal. I can't stop yawning. But yeah, Medicare, Band-Aids. 1 year Band-Aids was awesome deal on Band-Aids. Like, it was just such a great deal. And that's pretty much the last page. They got photos for 10 cents each if you guys buy 75 or more. And some of the gifting stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. So it's going to be a slow week, you guys. And that is okay, especially with times like this. You know, I really want to go couponing, but it's just not worth it. Not worth it. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.